Hey guys, one of the most often overlooked but incredibly important coverages for businesses of all sizes. I mean, small home businesses, anything. It's general liability insurance coverage, and that type of coverage provides protection on a wide range of risks, and that includes bodily injury, property damage, and personal injury. It's also designed to cover the cost of legal fees and settlements and judgments that can arise. Somebody sues you for whatever reason, it provides an insurance defense attorney to represent you. And also, if a judgment comes and it's within the policy or under the policy limit, then it will pay for that. So who should get general liability insurance coverage? Every single business. No matter how small or large your business is, there's always a risk that you need to protect against. And even if you operate a business from your home, you could still be liable for accidents that occur on your property or the products that you sell. So for me, a public adjuster, I can't put a P.O. box or something else. I have to actually put a physical office location so that my clients could come see me if they wanted to. Texas Department of Insurance can come knocking on my door and ask me to see my files. So I have to keep my stuff wherever I say that my brick and mortar office is. While someone's coming to visit me, they could fall, they could slip, something could happen. I could fall down my stairs. So I need business insurance. And I'll give you an example of why you would need it. So imagine you run a small bakery and a customer slips and falls on a wet floor in your store. And if the customer decides to sue you for their injuries, you could be facing thousands of dollars in legal fees and damages. Without general liability insurance coverage, you would be responsible for paying for all of those costs for the lawyer, which, can be very expensive. And that could be devastating to your business. You could actually have to close your doors because you can't. Some people have had to file bankruptcy because they just don't have the ability to hire an attorney to defend themselves. And obviously, if you don't defend yourself, they'll take a default on you. And even if you filed an answer and you don't participate in the lawsuit, the other side can do a motion to compel, motion to strike. They can strike your answer, and it's as if you never answered, and they can, take a default on you for whatever they're suing you for, those damages. And then they can get a judgment, and then they can execute on it, and they can garnish, and they could do all kinds of things. But it's not just physical injuries that you need to worry about. General liability insurance can also protect you against claims of libel, which is writing something false about another, slander, that's you saying it, and copyright infringement. And if you accidentally used a copyrighted image on your website or social media, for example, you could be sued for damages, and general liability coverage would cover the cost of defending you and, against those types of claims. Now, you might be thinking that general liability insurance coverage is too expensive for your business, but the truth is the cost of not having it far outweighs the cost of getting it, and one single lawsuit or claim can just bankrupt your business or ruin your reputation. It really could. So just to conclude, general liability insurance coverage is essential for all types, any type of business, and it provides the protection that you would need, wide range of risks that would ensure that you have long-term success in your business. And if you haven't already, I urge you to go consider getting it, purchasing it, or at least finding out how much it costs to get it, and protect yourself. I always say, be safe and be prepared.